Okay, deep breaths. I have never been on a more crowded bus in my entire life. This isn't a vehicle, it's a human Tetris game.
夫婦大丈夫？京都のバスはいつもこうだよ。
混んでいます。混んでいます. It means it's crowded. She's asking if I'm okay and says Kyoto buses are always like this. Like this? They're not crowded. They're a new form of solid matter.
もうすぐおばあさんのバス停みたい。
bahss-tay. bahss-tay. It means bus stop. Sakura said it looks like that elderly woman's stop is coming up. How is she possibly going to get off? There's no path.
すみません。降ります。
降ります。降ります. It means I'm getting off. Okay. She said it. The magic words. Excuse me. I'm getting off. Now what?
すみません。
Whoa. The guy in front of her just said, excuse me, and shuffled sideways.
道を作るの。
She said there, making a path. It's like a ripple effect. Oh my God. It's coming towards us.
すみません。ちょっと通ります。
通ります。通ります. It means passing through. He just bumped the person next to him and said, excuse me, passing through.
ほら、ビルの番だよ。
My turn? What do I do? I'm going to break the chain.
すみません。
He just bumped into me. Act natural.
ビル、すみませんって言って、動いて。
すみません。すみません. It means excuse me / sorry. She's telling me to say the magic word and move. Okay, here goes nothing. すみません。すみません. It means excuse me / sorry. I did it. I said it and shuffled. I am part of the system. The path is complete.
どうも、すみません。ありがとうございます。
She made it. The system works. That was amazing. Social judo. The woman just said sorry again, but it sounded like thank you.
うん。すみませんは、謝るときも、感謝するときも使うから。
すみません。すみません. It means excuse me / sorry / thank you. Sakura says you can use that word for apologizing and for thanking someone. It's an all-purpose politeness tool. Wait, I heard that university students say something different to the guy next to him before he bumped into me. It sounded shorter.
友達に、悪い、ごめん。
ああ、ごめんね。あれは友達とか、親しい人に使う言葉。
Gomen. Gomen. It means sorry. Informal. Ah, that's the one. Sakura says you use that with friends or people you're close to. Gomen. Gomen. It means sorry. Informal. So that's the informal version. For friends. Got it. So on a bus full of strangers, the other one is the safest bet.
そうそう。バスの中では、すみませんが一番いいね。
She agrees. It's the best phrase to use on the bus. Okay, I feel like I just leveled up. I survived the apology cascade.
よかったね。あ、ビル、見て。
mee-teh. mee-teh. It means look. She's telling me to look. What is it?
次、私たちのバス停だよ。
tsu-gi. tsu-gi. It means next. What does that mean? She said, our bus stop is next.
うん。降りる準備しないと。
joon-bee. joon-bee. It means preparation / get ready. She said we have to get ready to get off. Oh no. It's our turn. We have to initiate.
ビル、行くよ、すみません。
I'm not ready.